Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English for Real Life podcast. I'm Tom, and with me today is my co-host, as always, Carol.
Hello, Tom. Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to have you here with us today.
Carol, I'm tired.
Tired? Why, Tom?
I understand English, but when I speak, my brain just stops.
Oh, I know that feeling.
It's annoying. I translate everything in my head, and then I forget what to say.
That's exactly the problem.
So, am I doing something wrong?
Not wrong, just not efficient.
Okay, so what should I do?
I'll show you how to train your brain to think in English, step by step.
Exciting! Really? Let's go.
First, you need to stop translating.
Stop? But I always translate.
I know. Everyone does it first.
It feels automatic.
Yes, but it slows you down.
That's true. I feel nervous when I speak.
Exactly. Your brain is doing too much work.
So I need to think directly in English?
Yes, that's the goal.
That sounds hard.
Don't worry, we'll make it easy. Habit number 1, talk to yourself.
Wait, talk to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
Maybe a little, but it works.
Okay, I'll try. What do I say?
Just say what you were doing.
Give me an example.
When you wake up, I am waking up.
I am waking up.
Good. Now in the bathroom, I am brushing my teeth.
This is so simple.
Exactly. That's why it works.
Okay, what about the kitchen?
I am making breakfast.
I am making breakfast.
Yes, you see, you're already doing it.
Hey, this feels good. But Carol, I want to sound fluent in English.
You will, but not today.
Hey.
Start simple first.
Okay, what does that mean?
Don't use long, hard sentences.
Like,
Instead of, I would like to prepare my meal, say, I am cooking.
that's it?
That's it.
Wow, I've been making it too hard.
Exactly.
So simple English is better.
Yes, simple equals fast.
Let me try. I am walking. I am eating.
Perfect.
This is easy now.
Now look around you.
Okay,
What do you see?
a chair.
Say it in English.
This is a chair.
Good. Now say it.
The chair is brown.
Yes, that's great.
I feel like a beginner, but I like it.
That's how you grow.
So I should do this every day?
Yes, everywhere.
Even outside?
Yes,
Okay, I'll walk outside and talk to myself.
that's the spirit.
What about real situations?
That's the best practice.
Really?
Yes, for example, when walking, I am walking on the street.
Easy.
At the shop, I am buying food.
Okay.
At work, I am starting my work.
Oh, I can use this every day.
Exactly.
Motivated. I feel like I'm improving already.
That's what I like to hear.
Is speaking enough?
Not really.
So what else?
You need to listen.
To what?
Simple English videos or conversations.
And then?
Repeat what you hear.
Out loud?
Yes, not in your head.
Okay, no hiding.
No hiding.
Okay, Carol, let me check if I understand everything.
Go ahead, Tom.
First, I need to stop translating.
Yes, that's very important.
Second, I should talk to myself every day.
Exactly.
Third, use simple sentences like I am eating, I am walking.
Perfect.
Fourth, think in English all day.
Smile. That's the goal.
And finally, listen and repeat out loud.
Excellent, Tom.
Hey, I actually feel more confident now.
You should. You're doing great.
Now it's your turn.
Start today, even just 5 minutes.
Talk to yourself
Think in English.
and keep it simple.
Practice every day and you will improve.
Don't wait. Start now.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons.
See you in the next episode.
Bye!